Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. Welcome to our series of lessons on English food and drinks vocabulary. Today, we'll explore the delicious world of bread, butter, milk, cheese, pasta, rice, and more. Get ready to improve your English and learn more about food and drinks. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons. Alright, let's begin. Food and drinks. Part 1. Bread. Bread. I buy bread from the bakery on the corner. Bread. Butter. Butter. I spread butter on my sandwich every morning. Butter. Milk. Milk. Do you prefer your coffee with milk? Milk. Margarine. Margarine. My sister uses margarine when she bakes cakes. Margarine. Cheese. Cheese. I like pizza with double cheese. Cheese. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. I like to eat cottage cheese with strawberries. Cottage cheese. Sour cream. Sour cream. Sour cream makes my favorite soup taste better. Sour cream. Yogurt. Yogurt. My mother eats yogurt with fruit for breakfast. Yogurt. Eggs. Eggs. Scrambled eggs are a popular breakfast dish. Eggs. Pasta. Pasta. I cook pasta with tomato sauce and cheese for dinner. Pasta. Rice. Rice. I mix rice, apple, and cinnamon for a sweet dessert. Rice. Cereal. Cereal. I buy different kinds of cereal with nuts and fruits. Cereal. Flour. Flour. My grandmother bakes bread with flour and yeast. Flour. Sugar. Sugar. I try not to eat too much sugar in my diet. Sugar. Salt. Salt. I add a pinch of salt to my food to make it taste better. Salt. Pepper. Pepper. Pepper is a common spice used in many dishes. Pepper. Tea. Tea. I like tea with lemon and honey. Tea. Coffee. Coffee. My sister likes to add cinnamon to her coffee. Coffee. Water. Water. I always drink water when I am thirsty. Water. Juice. Juice. Juice is a healthy choice for a refreshing drink. Juice. Jam. Jam. I sometimes eat toast with jam for breakfast. Jam. Honey. Honey. Honey is a natural sweetener made by bees. Honey. Cookies. Cookies. Cookies are sweet and delicious. Cookies. Ice cream. Ice cream. I love to eat ice cream on a hot summer day. Ice cream. Mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. Do you like mayonnaise on your burger? Mayonnaise. Ketchup. Ketchup. I put ketchup on my French fries. Ketchup. Mustard. Mustard. Mustard is yellow and tastes spicy. Mustard. Olive oil. Olive oil. Olive oil is good for your health. Olive oil. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is good for making salad dressing. Vegetable oil. Meat. Meat. People who are vegetarians do not eat meat. Meat. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Do you enjoy trying new foods and drinks? Let's see how many English words you know to describe them. Ready to put your knowledge to the test? Okay, let's get started. Bread. Bread. Butter. Butter. Milk. Milk. Margarine. Margarine. Cheese. Cheese. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Sour cream. Sour cream. Yogurt. Yogurt. Eggs. Eggs. Pasta. Pasta. Rice. rice, cereal, cereal, flour, flour, sugar, sugar, salt, salt, pepper, pepper, tea, tea, coffee, coffee, water, water, juice, juice, jam, jam, honey, honey, cookies, cookies, ice cream, ice cream, mayonnaise, mayonnaise, ketchup, ketchup, mustard, mustard, olive oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, vegetable oil, meat, meat, bravo, superb. We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.